Hollywood's limelight can be harsh, particularly when every gesture, every remark, and every quiet moment is caught on camera. Jaden Smith found himself in a new scandal this week after a heated exchange on the red carpet went viral, dividing fans and stirring discussions about personal limits, celebrity privilege, and the enduring impact of famous parents. Jaden has been raised in the spotlight as the son of international superstars Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith. From high-end runways to blockbuster movies, his trajectory has always been tracked with great interest. His most recent appearance at a Los Angeles premiere, however, was about a moment of quiet that screamed louder than words, rather than about his fashion, his projects, or his artistic approach. Jaden was chatting with reporters on the red carpet during the premiere event when one of them inquired about his partnership with designer Steven Smith, who had previously collaborated with controversial fashion designer and rapper Kanye West. At first glance, the topic appeared standard as creative collaborations and future are frequently discussed during red carpet interviews. But Jaden hesitated before responding. The reporter was clearly taken aback when his face changed slightly, and without responding, he turned and left the interview in the middle. Even though the exchange was brief, it was sufficient to spark a huge internet outcry. The video quickly gained popularity on social media in a matter of hours, sparking heated reactions from both supporters and detractors. His actions were deemed dismissive and disrespectful by several viewers, who contended that public officials have an obligation to interact with the media in a courteous manner. Some even went so far as to say that his response was a reflection of his upbringing in one of the most well-known families in Hollywood. Social media platforms were immediately inundated with comments along the lines of, "The apple didn't fall far from the tree and he got it from his mom and dad." The incident bolstered critics' opinion that children of celebrities frequently exude entitlement due to their upbringing in an environment of affluence and protection. But not for everyone had the same perspective on the matter. Jaden has the right to establish personal boundaries and steer clear of anything he doesn't want to talk about, according to several of his supporters. Some noted that walking away was a controlled and adult response rather than an emotional outburst, and that red carpet interviews may involve unexpected or awkward topics. Jaden has put a lot of effort into curating his own personality apart from his parents' history, according to supporters. Rather than depending on his well-known last name, he has continuously attempted to establish himself as an individual artist in a variety of fields, including music, fashion, and creative direction. The incident also emphasizes the strain that people who are raised in the spotlight suffer. Unlike most people, Jaden's response, facial expressions, and choices are continuously watched and evaluated by millions. A silent departure or even a slight pause might instantly turn into a viral headline that changes public opinion overnight. The fact that Jaden hasn't spoken out about the events make the matter even more intriguing. He hasn't explained why he walked away or what he was thinking in that moment. Fans and detractors are now left to make their own assumptions about the situation as a result of this silence, which has only increased conjecture. Moments like these rarely disappear quickly in the digital age we live in today. Social media makes it possible for even the least exchanges to become pivotal moments. The viral video serves as yet another reminder to Jaden Smith of the difficulties that come with being famous, particularly when every decision is seen in light of his family's history. The episode has put him in the forefront of public discourse once more, regardless of whether people view his response as impolite, justifiable, or just human. Furthermore, in a field where perception frequently turns into reality, simply leaving without saying anything can be more powerful than any words he could have used.